Hello and welcome to PH Biology. Today's explainer is the reflex arc, the pathway of a reflex action bypassing the brain for speed. By the end of this video, you'll know the sequence, why it's faster than conscious thought, and a real-life example you can feel. A reflex arc is the pathway of a reflex action. Stimulus, receptor, sensory neuron, relay neuron in the spinal cord, motor neuron, effector, response. It doesn't involve conscious thought. The signal only goes as far as the spinal cord before triggering the response, much faster than going up to the brain and back. 3 things. 1. The pathway is fixed. Stimulus to receptor, to sensory neuron, to relay neuron in the spinal cord, to motor neuron, to effector. 2. The brain isn't involved in the rapid response, though it's notified afterwards. 3. Synapses connect each pair of neurons with neurotransmitters crossing each gap. Common slip. Reflex arcs do involve the spinal cord, just not the brain. The brain registers what happened after the response. That's why you feel pain a moment after pulling your hand away from a hot pan. The response came first, the awareness second. Quick example, hand on hot stove. The temperature receptors in the skin fire. Sensory neuron sends impulse to spinal cord. Relay neuron passes it to motor neuron. Motor neuron triggers the arm muscle to contract. Hand pulled away. Total time, about 1/10 of a second. The brain registers the pain a moment later. Right, if any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.